Guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to import media into Adobe Premiere Pro. But before you watch this video, please ensure you've watched our first video where I talked about the various buttons and various aspects of Adobe Premiere Pro. That is the interface introduction. Please ensure you subscribe and then share this link to a beginner you know out there for him or her to learn as well. Without much ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so this is basically the interface of Adobe Premiere Pro. In case you are new, you can check out our previous video as I said. But today we are learning about how to import media into Adobe Premiere Pro. Basically there are two options that you can do, but I'm going to take you through 2 or 3 or 4 of them so that it will be very easy for anybody watching this video. So the first step is to come down here and then you see something written as import media to start. So that is where you are going to start by importing your work. The media can be a video, music, or pictures. Anything that it is being editable, it's a media. So you can quickly double click here and then it will take you to your folders or your local disks where you normally save your items. So here it is loading and then it's taking me to where I save my media or I save my content for my work. So this is where I normally save them. So I'm coming here into the media folder to select any of these for my work. So we can go in for a picture or we can go in for an audio. This audio is in MP4 format, but then later it will be converted into MP3 for today's project. So now we can select all of them by highlighting, dragging over these items here, and then you click import and you have your items being imported into Adobe Premiere Pro. So this is basically the first step. So now we have our project here. Let's view how it is. Once you double click it, you see it popping up here at the source page or panel. You can also preview this one by double clicking on this icon over here and you have it here. You can play it as well to see or feel or hear how it is in your work. All right, so now we have our media being imported, so we can quickly delete this one so we can go to the next step. The next one is to come here, file, and then come down to import, or you can even go for import recent file where you get access to your previous works or your previous files you imported into Adobe Premiere Pro. But for today's lesson we choose this one, Command I for Mac or Control I for Windows. So once you click it, it will take you to where you have your media, where you can import picture, MP4 or MP3 formats items. So let's select our picture and boom, we have it here as well. This last but not the least step is to drag and drop any media you want to use for your project or for your work. So we'll go to the movies folder and then select any item that we want to. Don't forget you can only bring in MP4, MP3, image as in JPEG or even PNG items into Adobe Premiere Pro. So this one we are going to drag and drop it like this and leave it for it to load. And as you can see over here, we have our media being uploaded into Adobe Premiere Pro. You can presume it as well here or preview it here. You click and then you have your work ready for editing. So this is basically how to import any media into Adobe Premiere Pro. This is just a step-by-step approach in doing that. You can rewatch this video by starting again over and over again until you get this thing done. But I know by the time you're done watching this, you'll be a perfect designer with Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in my next video. But don't forget to comment, like, and share, and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.